Hey Sharon, this is Tim Harper of the Redfin. I'm just actually out here on 4 inverray Court in Ormond Beach, and I'm just doing a quick video tour for you that you requested for us to do. So how I'll start off is, obviously I'll show you the front of the house, give you a good idea what the landscaping looks like, fresh exterior and interior paint in the house. And then I'll just do a quick 360 around the neighborhood, that way you can kind of see what the surrounding homes look like, the street. As you can see, it is located on a cul-de-sac, so that's always nice. And then as you walk up, the roof is actually put on in 07. The AC was put on in 08. So you don't have to worry about the big purchase items for a while. But as you walk in, there's a nice little front patio here. It's all pavers, and you get the nice little waterfall feature over here. The sellers actually added that in 2008, I want to say. You know, that wasn't original to the house or anything like that. As you walk in the house, the first thing you would notice is, of course, the hardwood floors. And these are true hardwood floors. They're not laminate or anything like that. The sellers did restain, or actually they sanded everything down and restained it all this year. And as you can see, just kind of first glance, you can see how nice that came out. As I mentioned outside, it does have fresh interior paint, 3-inch baseboards all the way around. So you can kind of catch your bearings. I'm still in the front door entry. So I'm just kind of panning around to what you see. But directly to your left is actually the laundry room and the laundry hookups. There is no washer or dryer, but you know, you do got the nice cabinetry, the lighting, of course, a nice little sink. That's always nice to have. And then directly left to that is your 2-car garage. And now I'll just kind of walk down here. That way you can kind of see from both sides. I like to try to provide as many perspective views as possible. I mean, everything looks in really well conditioned, really well maintained throughout. And you got the Lennox AC that was put in 2008. The hot water heater, I don't know the date. I can try to look for one real fast. Okay, so I believe the hot water heater is 1999. So that may need replacement in the near future. But as you walk back in here, here's the laundry room. And then we're just right back to the front door where we walked in. So if you continue on, you get the nice little family or living room right here. That's the entry to the master bedroom right there. And as you come down, you kind of see the view of the backyard. It's not much of a backyard, that's one thing I gotta say about this house. But I'll show you that a little bit more further in the video. And then you see the pool back there. And then looking back at the front entry, and then walking into the master bedroom. Nice vaulted ceilings. Let me walk on this side of the bedroom. You can kind of see a little back patio. Looking back where we walked in, and then that's the master bathroom. There's no door to get in here. I know some people like that. However, there is no door. So you just walk right in. You have a shower. You do have a toilet which has a door. That's always good. Nice natural lighting with the window there, the frosted window. And then your master closet, which is actually a good size. It has a lot of built-ins in here, which is Always really nice to see. I'll show you how high it goes. Okay. We'll walk back out here. Nice little planter shelf. And then you got the living room over here, which is, provides that really good open concept throughout the whole house. You have the dining room right there. This counter is actually quartz, made out of quartz. All appliances do convey. You have the nice big window in front of the sink. That way you can kind of be overlooking your yard and the pool. Definitely have plenty of natural lighting throughout this whole house. So as you walk down here, we'll actually walk into the second bathroom, or the guest bathroom as well. This has been completely renovated from top to bottom. I'll try to slow down. That is tile. And then you have the nice deep tub right here. You can see the white subway tile for the ceiling. I mean, that came out really nice. And you have the shower head here, but you also have the overhead shower head. You just kind of walk in, open up the glass doors, and try to get in there. That way I can show you the other way. There's the mirror. Looking back at the kitchen. And then you have the two bedrooms. I must say the two bedrooms, they are a bit on the smaller size. I don't know the dimensions off of my head, but that's something I can always look into. Let me do a quick count real fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, this is probably a 10 by 11 room, or maybe 10 by 12. And it's going to be something similar to this other bedroom right here. So as we walk out, then we have the second bedroom. So the first bedroom, that's the first bedroom we just looked at. And now the second bedroom, which looks like it's about the same size. Yeah, I'm almost pretty sure it is. These have the standard closets. And then let's walk outside. That way I can kind of show you the pool area and the yard. I know they completely redid the screen enclosure and the screening in 2008. So it's not original. And the pool deck is also restained. They actually did that this year. So as you just walk around, you got a little outside shower. Here's the neighbor's house. You have all your pool equipment. So this is going to be majority of your backyard right here, what I'm showing you. Let me walk around this corner. We can kind of get a better idea. So it does go back there a little bit. As you walk around, it tends to get a little bit more narrow towards the back over here. I mean, you probably have about, from this pool enclosure until that fence, you're probably looking about, you know, from the smallest, narrowest gap, about 10 feet. And then it widens back up. And that tends to happen when you find a home on a cul-de-sac. You kind of get that, you know, it's irregular lot size. It tends to be like a pie shape and just kind of unusual, but you definitely have plenty of yard to work with still. Okay. We'll just come back in. Recessed lighting. More planter shelves over here. And that concludes this video. So while you're watching it or even afterwards, feel free to, you know, write down some questions. And if you have any additional information you want me to grab for you, I can certainly do that. But otherwise, I don't see anything wrong with this house. Usually I love to point out things, especially when it's a video tour, anything that's wrong or wood rot or any sort of, you know, I like to err on the side of caution when it comes to the condition of the home, and really everything seems renovated and well maintained throughout. All right. Thanks, Sharon. Bye-bye.